So time to get the curls out, or release the curls, I would say. And yeah, we will just start with the bangs, because I just want to see what they look like. And yeah, my hairstyle is already a little bit messy from sleeping, but then we can also see what it looks like with nicely styled bangs and just the hairstyle. I'll just remove the bobby pins first. Wow! Okay, we will come to that in a minute. That's a curl. And just unroll it. Okay, so as you can see, these are really curly curls, and we're just going to unfurl them a little, just separate it, make a few more curls of it. Well, right now this is of course quite extreme, but usually it will wear out a little and don't look as extreme as it looks right now. So, yeah. Okay. Then if they are getting too fluffy like this, I'm not really liking the way I made that look. Then you can just twist them a little to incorporate it all, and it will look a little better. So same for this one, it got a little bit fluffy. Don't really like it like that, and then just twist it in a little and it should be fine. Okay, this has to wear out a little, but yeah, I think this hairstyle can also be worn very well just in a everyday situation or just for the holidays which are coming up. And yeah, okay, only my bangs are a bit too much, I guess. Usually if you just incorporate them with the hairstyle, they are not going to be like this extreme. So, but that's it for now. And let's unfurl the rest of the curls. For this we will just need to open our knot in the back. This one. Just don't open that, and then we are going to unravel it. Take it out here, uncross, and there we go. So, time to release the curls, and this is of course always the most exciting part because it looks so nice and bouncy, and yeah, this is just fun. I will just take out the hair ties first. And then very gently we are just going to unravel the curls. Starting of course here at the end and working our way up. So carefully unraveling this. We can separate the curls later on, but for now just unravel it. Oh, look at this. Okay, and here we are starting to separate because these are the sections we added on top, so this is what we are going to separate first. Just like this, very gentle. Don't brush your curls. Well, there we go, that's one side. Very beautiful curls, I think so. And let's continue with the other side. Well, let's wrap this a little bit out of the way while we're doing this. Okay. And then again, very gently unravel the curls. Or unwrap them. And then we are starting to separate again the sections we added. Okay, there we go. Our fabric is released from the curls. And this is where we can start to carefully loosen it up a little. Also, let's release those again. They really got a little too wild. So I do recommend just incorporate your bangs in the hairstyle. That looks probably a bit better. Which is what I usually do actually, but I wanted to try this out. So you don't have to. So there we go. It's important to loosen up here at the scalp because your hair has been flat in this hairstyle. So this is important to loosen up a little. Don't brush through your curls because we like it when they are nice and defined and not like a big brushed out bag. So just like this, carefully. And yeah, so these are my curls for today. I really love how they turned out besides this one. But yeah, I think they look very well. And I will just style it a little for today, for how I'm going to wear it. And in this case, I will see if I have like something nice from here I am going to use or not. That one is too far in the middle. Let's see. This one is getting too wild. Well, I think I will just put them all in the back today. Do I have here a nice one? Which I'm going to leave into the front. Yeah, I think so, this one. So this will stay at the front, I guess. And those are going also into the back. And for this I usually just grab some pieces from the side and then carefully separate them. I will use also some from the top, which I just want to put into the bag, and then I am just twisting it a little and putting it into the bag. So this one doesn't want to go there. Same for the other side. Just grabbing some from the back or from the side, and then we are going to separate it. Ooh, careful. Twist it a little. And then I will just fixate it with some bobby pins. Which I just usually crisscross to get them very well fixed. And then add a nice decoration pin on top. So this should be fine. I forgot my little mirror to check in the back, but I will check on it later. I guess it's okay. So this is what I'm going with for today. And then you can just spray it with some hairspray, which I'm going to do right now. And then we are ready to go, I think. And you can of course style it in every way you like. There are many ways to style them. And curls are also usually a very nice base for all kinds of nice hair updos, because they just give lots of volume to your hair. And therefore this is also a very nice way to do that. And make it less time consuming. Because, yeah, of course if you have done this a few times and you just wrap your hair around before going to bed, this goes quite quickly. And of course this video does take longer because I'm talking so much. But usually it goes quite quickly, and there we go. That's it for now. So, thank you for watching, and yeah, have a lot of fun with doing this yourself at home, and show me how it turned out for you. I am very, very excited to see your results, and yeah, bye!